Jacob.Boyd here in Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City. I want to talk to you today a little bit about this Heritage Glen 22 RBHL 2019. We just got it on a lot. Pretty excited to show it for you and to kind of showcase some of the features that really set this thing apart. First off, lightweight, 5,500 pounds. You have a 22-foot floor plan, and you pack a lot into this too. Right off the tip, you have your electric tongue jack, your big 5-gallon liquid propane, your really nice cap on the front, and your huge storage space for your pass-through. Really wide mouth on this, a lot of berth in there. Can fit a kayak in there really nicely. Aluminum frame, as you can see throughout, really nice, and slam latches there with your magnetic hinges too. Your big awning here and your outdoor speakers, so you can make a lot of use of the outdoor space as much as you can as the indoor space. There's really a lot of nice features I pack in there on the inside too. Big grab handle, solid step. These adjust to any height, so it makes it really nice. So regardless of whether kind of uneven terrain you're parking next to, zero bounce on these guys, and they fold right up inside and have nothing hanging down off the bottom of your trailer. So let's just step inside and have a peek at really what makes this new Hyper-Lyte a really great find. First off, the huge bathroom off the rear. Really big rarity here. There's a couple rigs that's all that have this kind of size of a bathroom. Full width of the rear here too. A lot of light rear window still. That's actually something that you don't find in a lot of bathrooms even when they're on the rear. Big vanity, nice mirror. They've done a lot of really smart design choices here, so you actually get to make use of the space as much as possible. I think they took a lot of notes when people were talking, and they made a trailer to fit that too. Tons and tons and tons of storage back here. Nice drawers, nice hanging, and really nice size of shower too. And that's really not even the end of the storage here. Literally the depth of my arm here. You can put a ton of stuff back here. One of the things too, that's right off the entry here, as we have your huge walk-in closet and slash pantry here. A ton of space. There's just a lot to be said about having this much storage and still this much usable kind of living space in a rig too. And this is right out the door too, so there's a lot of use for that. When you walk into the main room, you have a really nice combination couch here. You have your chase lounge plus your couch. The couch does convert into a bed. It's actually a tri-fold right there. This table can be removed and put back on. Really modular, adds a lot of functionality to this rig. It's placed really well right across from your television, your built-in Jensen speakers, and your electric fireplace. Kick those on with your shore power, and you can warm this place up. 22-foot floor plan. Doesn't take a lot, really nice and toasty and comfortable in here. And tons of light, which is really smart. Whenever you place one really nicely placed skylight, it brightens the room up quite a bit, and it keeps everything usable for a much longer time. A lot of counter space with the L-shaped counter space when you can place stuff out of the way while you're actually preparing coffee pots, blenders, whatnot. And then you actually have your really nice Furrion stove. So your flush mount for your stove becomes its own backsplash, and a nice little feature here, actually a space for your pots and pans. That's actually a little bit of a rarity to find something that holds deep pots and deep pans here too. But that's not all the storage that's in here. You have a lot of design choices that were super smart in this guy to make use of the space. And they have thought of everything, so your bottle opener as well. Let's walk into the bedroom. Your really nice residential comfort mattress on these guys, your hanging closet space on either side, your plugs, your USBs on either side of the bed too, overhead storage, it passes through, and plus your underbed storage too. One of the nice things about the underbed storage is that you don't have to lift it to actually get access to it. So you actually have a little mount here, and they provide some baskets here for a little bit of modular use across to make that storage as easy as possible. Plus little pneumatic help hinges to help you actually if you need to get something bigger out of it from under there too. If you have any other questions about this new rig, feel free to give me a call, Jacob.Boyd, 773-655-7190, or stop on by Junction City and say hi.